Hello everyone, I am Raghupathi Tangaraj. Welcome to Reactive Framework discussion. Today I am going to discuss about Micronaut framework. The first and foremost question is what is Micronaut and why do we need it, right? So actually the Micronaut framework was introduced as an alternative to Spring Boot for building the microservice applications. At the first glance, it is very similar to Spring. It also implements patterns like dependency injections and notions of control, IOC, based on annotations. However, it also uses the JSR 330, meaning java.inject. Also, it has been designed specifically for building the serverless applications, Android applications, low memory footprint microservices. That means it should have the fastest startup time, low memory usage, and be easier to test the competing frameworks. However, today I want to focus on those characteristics of Micronaut, and I'm going to show how to build the simple microservice based system using this framework. Also, I'm going to show you how to build the Docker image using the crawl VM, then start the application and see the results. Before jump into the Micronaut demo, let's see what all are available existing backend framework available in the open market, right? Let's see the uh, screen. In the last 2 decades, we have created a lot of backend frameworks. I took last 10 years backend frameworks and arranged most popular one based on the developer framework choices. See this quick view. You can find a huge number of frameworks like Laravel, Express.js, Ruby on Rails, Meteor, Spring, and etc. Uh, in the last 2 decades, we have created a lot of backend frameworks. I took last 10 years background frameworks and arranged most popular one based on the developer framework choice. See this background screen. You can find a huge number of frameworks like Laravel, Express.js, Ruby on Rails, Meteor, Spring, and etc. etc. In this category, so Micronaut was born in 2018. So it is very early stage and latest framework. Okay, let me see the Micronaut main features. In simple, Micronaut frameworks for microservices, and it has a lot of features. The main thing is ultra lightweight, native-based reactive. It supports multiple programming languages like Java, Groovy, and Kotlin. One of the most important features is AOT, ahead of time compilations. That means when they start the applications, the framework needs to read all your bytecodes and classes, say for example dependency, injections, components, or whatever services you are using. Then framework really needs to understand that how your application works. So in the Spring standpoint, Spring does that at a runtime, meaning the framework catches to keep all those informations in the memory, so it takes more and more time to read those memory informations. See, on the other hand, Micronaut is pretty much is like the same thing only, but it does that at compile time. So when you compile your Micronaut applications, all the information that needed is already compiled and creating some kind of companion classes. So when you start the Micronaut applications, the framework does not need to do anything because pretty much everything is already pre-compiled, meaning already there. That means no reflections, no runtime proxies, no dynamic classes loading because of everything goes pre-computed ahead of the time. Then the next one is dependency injections. Micronaut features dependency injections and aspect-oriented programming running that uses no reflections. Then it supports HTTP server and a client. The next one is natively cloud native. Natively cloud native. This is one of the most important features in Micronaut. Say for example, before 2018, when you create the microservice applications, you need to provide a lot of things out of box, I mean out of developer box, like 12-factor authentications or 12-factor features like code base, dependencies, config, back services, build, release, run, process, data isolations, concurrency, etc. Right? So in the Micronaut, it provides all those services as a single bundle. This is the main feature. Micronaut using low memory consumptions because the framework does not need cache a lot of information in the memory. The next one is it is very easy to testable, and the last and most important feature is it is supporting crawl VM. It is really fit for the crawl VM because there is no reflections at all. Crawl VM is a new virtual machine from the Oracle that supports Polyglot runtime environment and the ability to combine Java applications down to native machine language or native machine code. Those are the very main features as of now from the Micronaut framework. So we covered almost all the main features. Let me start the demo. Okay, let me start. Hi, welcome to demo. In this demo, I'm using Linux-based distribution operating system. To run these applications, we need to install JDK, Micronaut client, PostgreSQL, and crawl VM. For the demo purpose, I have already installed all those softwares in the backend side. Let's see the version. Now we check the Java version. See. So here I'm using OpenJDK 11 and crawl VM 20.2.0. Next one is Micronaut. See the Micronaut version is 2.0.2. Next one is PostgreSQL. Already I have installed the backend in the database side. So let me start the applications. For the demo purpose, I have created one demo applications and put it in the OPT path. See, CD, OPT, Micronauts. Here, let me start the applications. I mean, let me start the database. Docker Compose. Because of I'm using Compose. See, it is started within seconds, right? So it is ready to accept the new connections. Now we are ready to start our applications. Okay, now our database is up and running and ready to accept the application connections. Okay, let me use this connect command to compile and start the Micronaut applications. Maven compile execute. When we start this command, it will automatically execute and compile the applications and start the connections with the database. Let's see. It started compile. Now the application has been successfully compiled and started within 3706 milliseconds. Now the application is running on the port localhost 8080. Let me start the application. Okay, now let me start our applications using the jar file JVM. Using this command, just to start it. Let's see how long it will take to start the application. Started. Here, it is very fast. It is started within 4640 milliseconds. Right? The next step is we need to create the native image using the crawl VM. It will take minimum 10 to 15 minutes due to the demo purpose I have created already. See the Docker images list here. So here you can see Micronaut demo POC, right? This is the latest Docker image I have created, and this is size is almost 130 MB, right? Let's see how to start this Docker image. We have to use the Docker Compose up command. We can use the Docker Compose up command. It will start the applications using the native mode. See, started. See, it is started within 218 milliseconds, which is super fast. Now the application is up and running on the port 8080. Now go to the browser, use this IP address and see the application performance. Let's see. Now the application started successfully. Go to your browser, keep this IP address or some localhost colon 8080. You can see this page as a home page. I mean this home page, right? Now, if you want to play with the data, go with the find owners. You can find the owners, get all owners, or add the new owners, or whatever you want. You can put all kind of CRUD operations, right? Right. First of all, get all owners. You can see all existing list. Then go to find owners, add the new owner. Say for example, uh, demo pet one, last name pet 123 4 5, demo pet 123 pet city telephone 12345 12345. Now add the new owner is added successfully. Now if you want, you can add the new pet, add pet name, demo pet abcd, then as a date like a 2020 5 and 4 some date, and choose the type, add the pet is added successfully under the owner which we created just now. Now go to the find owners, go to the full list. You can see just now created, right? Demo page 123, that is yeah, this one. Demo page 1, demo page 13 pet city, right? Just now we have created this demo. Suppose if you want find one single user, go to the name. Suppose demo 14 is already there. Find the name, find through last name. If you want, this is for just for view purpose only. Likewise, you can see all the data. Okay, we have successfully completed our demo and validated all CRUD operations, and it's working fine, right? Next, we move to our summary screen, right? In the summary, in JVM startup take 3509 milliseconds, and crawlvm native image takes just 218 milliseconds to start the applications, and the image size is very small compared to previous one, right? So the crawlvm native image giving the best performance. Okay, so we have showed all the demo process for the Micronaut applications. Thank you for staying with us. Thank you.